Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to register on Fiverr as a freelancer. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your internet browser and on the search bar, go to fiverr.com. It's Fiverr.com. Once it loads, click on Fiverr. In here, you can choose to join. By doing so, click on Join on the upper right. Once you're here, you can become a seller by tapping on it. You can now choose to log in via Facebook or Google, all up to you. In this case, I'm choosing to log in using my Gmail account. Wait for it to load. Once you're here, click on the profile or the Gmail profile that you want to use to register going to Fiverr. This is my email. I'll wait for it to load. Now you can use a username or choose a username of your liking, and then click on Join. And that's it. You're already with Fiverr. All you gotta do right now is set up your profile over at Fiverr and tell Fiverr what it is you're selling. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.